But how y'all doing? Welcome back to the family. Welcome back to our channel, our crew. I hope everybody's doing well today. Being blessed, staying safe. All that good old stuff, okay? I am headed. I need to get this seat adjusted. I told y'all when Riri be in here, that child's so short, she got to pull everything all the way up. And then I got to push everything back and adjust the seat accordingly. But I'm about to head out. I got to go pay some bills. And I need to run to Winn, Dixie and get me some fruit. Yeah, I need some fruit. And I'm trying to think what else. That's it. I need some fruit. And either I'm going to get it from Winn, Dixie. I'm probably going to go to Winn, Dixie. But other than that, we're going out today. There's Jordan. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. We need plates. And we just got to-go plates. So it's not the to-go plates we need. It's the regular plates. Oh, man. I don't feel like going anywhere. And I don't think I got to go to the bank. I think I can just use my card. Because I don't feel like going to no bank. And I got enough change on me, so I'll be good. Alright. Well, like I said, I just came in here just check on y'all. Say hey. So, hey, y'all. I just got back from Winn, Dixie and Walmart.
She went by herself.
Yes, I did. I went by myself. I was in the car. I put my Pandora on. I was listening to my gospel music. It was so nice. But I got this big old watermelon. And then some more sparkle paper towels. I actually like these because the way that one sheet you can get into 4 squares, and I like that.
Say what?
See, you can do 4 squares out of one sheet, and I like that. I like that better than the Downy. So, or is it Bounty? So, and these are actually reasonable. They was only like $5.47 or something like that. So that wasn't bad. So I got that. And then and this came from Walmart, but out of Winn, Dixie, they fruit went up to $8. When me, Phillip, and Jordan went last week, it was $6 because y'all know they was $5 because you remember I got 2 things of pineapples, or pineapples and 1 thing of cantaloupe. But this time I just got the mixed fruit and a thing of pineapples, but I already started eating them in the car. I did sanitize my hand. Then I got these strawberries. They had one that was 3 for $6 or something like that, but they were small and they had looked bad. So I just went and got these here for $5.99, and then they lemons was 99 cents each. So I just went on and got a pack for $2.99 because I need to make me some more detox water. Because after all of this holiday food, I've been eating a whole lot of meat, and yes, this morning ended up having a gallbladder flare up. And if you guys deal with it, y'all know how it feels. It's in your side, it's in your back, and it just feels like you want to leave this world. And that's what happened to me this morning. And I feel so much better now. So I'm going to go ahead on detox and all of that and just have me a lot of water and fruit today. And if I eat any type of food, it'll be, like meat-based, it'll be seafood. And just, give my body a rest. So that was that. So that's why, I eat my fruit anyway, but that's another reason why I got the lemons, and I already have limes and other fruit. And then I just picked up some, but like I said, this all came from Winn, Dixie. This here, back to Walmart. Y'all know they 2-packs are now like $3 and some change. So I got 2. And then I got some plates. And I was looking around at their plates, and it was making me mad because I'm like, why are plates so expensive? It just doesn't make sense. They got plates in there that's like $16 for the Dixie brand, and then they have them that's like $12 for the Walmart knockoff Dixie brand. And so I just got these because when we went to Sam's, we got the to-go plates, and I forgot to get the regular. So they still going to use those too. And then, again, from Winn Dixie, they drinks are not, well, they say they on sale, but they not. It's the BOGO. Y'all know normally they're either 3 for $12, sometimes 3 for $11, 3 for $12, 3 for $13, 4 for $13. Y'all know. But right now they BOGO, and if you get one, it's $3.99. So it's still pretty much the same. $4, you paying $2 for a case of drinks. So I just got the red cream sodas and a Snicker. I actually had a coupon to get 2 Snickers with a purchase of fruit. And that was so funny for me at Winn Dixie, because when I pulled them up, the girl was like, do you want to get you 2 Snickers? Because if you get 2 or more fruits, you get 2, you can either get the Snicker, the Almond Joy, or Mound. So I just got the Snickers. I like the Almond Joy and Mound, but I wanted something with peanuts to kind of get that protein and still have me a little bit of chocolate. But I'm about to go ahead and do my Alijah app, see if anything is on here. If not, I'm just going to still scan my receipts. So that pretty much was it, because I do have to go shopping and kind of restock on some frozen vegetables. And I had told you guys that we do got our new deep freezer, so I'm going to go ahead on and put all of my vegetables and ice cream is going to be in this deep freezer. So that's what we are going to use this one for. This longer one is going to be for all of our meats, all of the meats that we have. And then this one is, like I said, it's going to be fruits, vegetables, ice cream, popsicle, stuff like that. And then over here, it'll just be like all the breakfast foods and like if they have pizza rolls, fries, and then sausages and biscuits will be over here in our freezer section. And then here go Mama, she just got back from her doctor. Jordan had took and went and picked up while I was out running errands, but she's making some butter beans. What you looking for? It's in the refrigerator. Remember I told you I put it in a container in the refrigerator? What your doctor said? You doing good? Yeah. Because she went and got her chemo. I'm going to have to look for it. There you go. Right there. In that container. Because it does better in the refrigerator. But she went and got her chemo bag off today. And then she had a doctor's appointment with her oncologist. Did they give you fluids? Let me see. That might be a pancake. Let me see. Did they give you fluids? Okay. Well, let me look. Oh, that's right. I put my... Hold on. Your bacon grease in here. I know it is because I put it in here. That's my pancake mix, though, because I was going to make me one today. But time got away from it. Yeah, I don't want any more meat right now. All right, y'all. Let me see where I put my mama's. Oh, Lord. All right, y'all. Let me take care of this. I'll be back. Oh, yeah. And I wiped down the refrigerator and everything. I was in here cleaning. The only thing I didn't do was wipe walls because they need to be wiped.
Did you know, Mama, that McDonald's and Pizza Hut or Domino's or Papa John's tastes good with McDonald's burgers?
I got to cut my watermelon. Sorry, y'all. put in another container. But right now, this is the only size container that I have that was going to fit all this. And this was gifted to me by Tia Marie. I think because it keep falling in here in the morning when Philip brushes his teeth, put his clothes on. And I got 2 of these. Well, actually, I got 3 because I keep losing. But I'm like, I don't have more toothpaste. Then I end up buying another one. And I found this one in the bottom of my basket. And I just bought one. So I guess that's how it falls. You can put that back over there for me. I had to cut that watermelon up. But all the clothes done. Everything's done. I just need y'all. Well, I left it up there. Alright. I'm about to go get everybody their clothes, get these clothes put up, eat my sausage because I'm hungry and I did not eat anything today. So I'm about to eat that.